Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. So in this video I am going to show you how you put and place your diagnostic screen in your WinCC Unified to check for checking your PLC diagnostics and PLC issues in your WinCC Unified screen. So first of all, you will see that my diagnostic screen is open. Now I'm going to simple drag and drop my diagnostic overview. So you will see that it is simple. My diagnostic overview is now being loaded. Now I am going to simple simulate that. So that's it. It's just diagnostics streams. Don't need to configure anything. It's just a drag and drop to simple check your PLC diagnostic in your screen. So you will see that now my project is going to load, and I have to finish that. Then I have to refresh it in my semantic runtime management to check my project is simulating or not. You will see it is running. Now I'm going to open my WinCC Unified web page. You will see that it is now going to open. So you will see that the diagnostic is now open here. So you will see that I have the all diagnostics here. So you will see that my PLC ports are okay or not, and port 2, the port 1s, and my IPs, the status of my PLCs, like that. So I'm again going to home that. Now I'm going to again my 8200 stations and also checks my inputs and outputs in my diagnostic screen. So that's it. That's how you can drag and drop your diagnostics diagnostic tabs in your WinCC Unified. So thank you very much for watch my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons, and in the description there is also my WhatsApp number. So if you have any query, you can WhatsApp me, and in the description there are also have others SCADAs and PLC tutorial links. So if you have to learn, watch my video. So thank you for watching my video again.